Hello and welcome to my channel, my MS Agency CCL, where we discuss programming, tech, and more. Feel free to subscribe to get last info. In today's topic, we're going to discuss how I brought approximately 100 visitor potential clients to my website. So how? First, make a website to your brand. By the way, we make websites too. Come check our website. I'll leave the link in the description. After having a website, people must know about it. So talk about it in videos and upload them to YouTube. High traffic, boom, you get passive visitors from YouTube. The videos can be anything related to your business. Must be clean, forward, describe your business, what you do, what people can expect from you. Maybe teaching something that can attract some people. That's good too. So let's make a stat checks for my website and my videos. So to see things concretely. In my videos, I give tips and quick courses that brought around 80 views. And they are brand new, like the oldest upload 3 months ago, and I'm just on 6 videos. So that's very promising. I get some business inquiries in my website, uh, in my WhatsApp. Speaking of which, you can use WhatsApp Business to promote to your websites. That's the paid way. Or you can just rely on YouTube views and try to grow your channel. Stay consistent, cold but strong. If you find what you are listening to have a valuable meaning to you, please subscribe and don't miss next video.